Hello everybody. We've just received our new sprayer, which is excellent. I've used it a couple of times so far and it's been really good. No problems whatsoever. Concern with blockage is one of them, but with these individual filters which go to each arm, you're able to clear them out before they get a chance to get blocked, which is brilliant. And they're very accessible, which is lovely. We have triple nozzle feature, so we can keep interchangeable nozzles when required for different applications. There's another filter there, easily undone, cleaned out and put back. Tank mixing over there. This is the draining plug, which is well positioned and easy to get accessible to, and let it drain out and you'll get every last bit out there, which is lovely. Dials are large and easy to read as you turn around from the cab, all self-explanatory, easy to adjust. Hand washing area, the opening hatch, simple, easy to reach in, easy to mix. The control panel, foolproof, on, spray, on, spray, off. Individual control for these three nozzles. Absolutely brilliant bit of kit. Also, a lot lighter than we were previously using. And one tank does all of the greens, whereas previously we'd have to use two. So you're saving time, money, and manpower can go into other areas of the course. So absolutely superb buy by the club.